It's a very big day at Sunny Day's daycare.
Lemmy is ready. She has her backpack and her best smile. Her little brother Raphael is ready too, mostly.
Almost got it, Raphael! All their friends are here. Everyone is going to the zoo.
Is everyone here? Let's count together.
1, 2, me and Raphael. My hat is silly.
That's okay, Raphael. Let's try again.
Don't worry, Raph. I'll keep you safe. Okay. Don't worry, Raph. I'll keep you safe. Roar! Big kitty! Don't worry, Raph. I'll keep you safe. Roar! Big kitty!
Time to climb aboard the Zoo Express.
Don't worry, Raph. I'll keep you safe. Roar! Big kitty! Safety first, little brother.
The wheels turn, and the adventure begins. Through the town and past the park they go.
I'm a birdie! Flap, flap! First we see the giraffes, then the monkeys. Want to see where the tigers live? Look, they're right here in the forest. Wow, cool.
We're here! Welcome to the Central City Zoo.
Stay on the rope, friends.
I got it, Miss Honey. This hat is tricky.
You're doing great, everyone.
Watch your step, Raph.
The air smells like popcorn and adventure.
You're wearing it sideways. I like it this way. Okay, let's go.
Let the wild fun begin.
I can do it myself. Try it the other way, Raphael.
That's it. You're almost there.
Yay, I did it. Yeah! It tickles. He's a giant.
Did you know giraffes use their tongues like fingers?
Wow, look at them. They're so tall.
Miss Honey says they are the tallest land animals on Earth.
I'm going to be that tall one day.
Next stop, the big splash zone.
This hat won't go on right.
You're putting it on sideways, Raphael. Come on, everyone, to the pool.
Ow, it's a hose. Hose.
Everyone gets a little bit wet.
It's like a nose and a straw mixed together.
Those big ears help them stay cool.
Look, Lemmy, I'm cooling down. Hee, that's so funny, Raphael. Raphael, it's sideways.
Now, into the quiet world of the lizards.
Is it a toy? No, he's just being very, very still.
Can you spot the hidden friend?
Wow, he's wearing a disguise. Slow turtle. Shh, Raph. We have to be respectful.
Back to the sunshine for something bouncy. All right, everyone, out we go.
Yay, sunshine! This hat is tricky. Let's bounce. Boing, boing, boing. Careful, little kangaroo. Look. I wish I had a pockets for you, Raph. No, you're too big for that. Almost, Raphael. I got it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump!
Time for some monkey business. All right, everyone, let's go play.
Yay, tire swings! They're playing.
Everyone is acting a little bit wild.
Stay on the ground, little monkey.
Even monkeys clean up their home.
Hat on! That's silly, it's Sonic. Careful, Raph. Stay on the ground, little monkey. Okay, Lemmy. Good boy.
The king of the jungle is taking a long nap.
Wake up, big kitty. Look at those big teeth, Raph. That's a sound you can feel in your toes. He's very powerful, isn't he?
Picnic time. Let's wash our hands.
Raphael, it's sideways. That's it. Everyone find a spot.
Picnic time. Let's wash our hands. All right, everyone, hands first.
Okay, Miss Honey.
Good job, Lemmy.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. Get the germs off. Okay, babe. It's not going on right. Here, let me help you.
Thank you, Lemmy. Sandwiches and juice taste better at the zoo.
My juice! It's okay. We share because we're a team. Look, a tiny guest. We shouldn't feed the birds, Raph. It's not healthy for them. But he's hungry. I know, but human food can make them sick. Oh, okay, Lemmy. Good job, Raph. Feed the hippo the trash. Yeah, let's feed it.
Feed the hippo the trash, not the animals.
Yay, we did it!
Now, let's go somewhere very cold.
Wow, look at the ice.
That's right. The penguins love it.
Waddle, waddle, waddle. Waddle, waddle, waddle. I'm a penguin. Look at me.
It's stuck.
Look, Raphael.
They can't fly in the sky, but they fly in the water.
It's like an underwater ballet. That was chilly. Help, it's sideways. It's funny. Here, let me help. Okay, thanks. Let's go see more.
The sun is getting low. Our day is almost done.
Last stop, we can touch these friends.
Wow, a lamb, so fluffy. My hat is silly. Hi, lamb. Can I pet you? So soft. Like a cloud.
Hey, that's my hair, not hay.
Hey!
All right, class, time to get ready.
My hat! Sideways!
Oh, Raphael, let's try that again.
It's not working.
You can do it. Here, let me help.
It's been a long, wonderful day of exploring. It's been a long, wonderful day of exploring.
All right, everyone, let's head out. Line up nicely.
This hat won't go on. Keep trying.
It's been a long, wonderful day of exploring.
Hat? Check. Water? Check. Raphael? Check. Hat? Check. Water? Check. Raphael? Check. My legs are tired, Lemmy. Just a little further, Raph. You can do it.
All right, class, stay together. Wow, look at all the toys.
My hat won't go on, right?
Memories are the best souvenirs of all. Everyone say,
Cheese. Cheese.
all right, everyone, smile for the picture.
My hat won't go on right. You can do it, Raphael.
There you go.
What a perfect group of friends. The yellow school bus is ready to take us home.
Hi, driver.
All right, everyone, line up and board the bus.
I got it. Almost home, little brother. Okay, Lemmy. One last step. You've got it.
Turn it around, Raphael.
It's hard. Here, try now.
A quiet, sleepy ride back to sunny days.
Good night, Raph.
Today, Lemmy was a great leader and a better sister.
Okay, everyone, we're here. Line up, please.
Raphael, it's sideways!
I got it! Welcome back, my loves. Home sweet home at Sunny Days.
Mom, we saw a giraffe with a blue tongue.
A blue tongue. Wow. I saw it too.
Yeah, it was so cool.
That's amazing. Tell me more.
What a wild, wonderful day at the zoo. See you next time. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that bell if you want to see the next zoo adventure.